After Governor Beshear signed the medical cannabis program into law, the Cabinet for Health and Family Services has issued 2 regulations that will set the guidelines for the application process and the regulations of the cannabis business licenses. The initial application window opened July 1, 2024 and will close on August 31st, 2024. During this initial window, there will be several different types of licenses that can be applied for. These include cultivator tier 1, 2, and 3, dispensary, processor, and safety compliance facility licenses. It is important to note that during this initial phase, there will not be applications for the tier 4 cultivator and for the producer license. There will also be a de facto prohibition against vertical integration, but applicants are able to submit multiple applications for the same types of licenses when certain conditions are met. The Cabinet has also set a limit on the number of licenses that will be issued in this initial licensing process. These limitations are as follows: 10 licenses for Tier 1 cultivator, 4 licenses for Tier 2 cultivator, 2 licenses for Tier 3 cultivator, 10 licenses for processor licensees, and 48 licenses for dispensaries. There will be no initial limit on the safety compliance facilities. The Cabinet has also created further locale restrictions for dispensary licenses. The Cabinet has divided the state into 11 regions and is limiting the dispensary licenses to 4 licenses per region, except if the region contains an urban county government. In these regions, they will be issued 6 dispensary licenses instead of 4. Given the high level of interest, the Cabinet is expecting more applications than the initial application process allows. This will lead to a lottery to determine which applicants will receive a license in this initial period. The initial application is available on the Office of Medical Cannabis's website. We would like to highlight a few of the requirements on that application. Applicants will be required to pay a non-refundable application fee, along with providing general applicant and business entity information. Applicants will also be required to demonstrate that they have control of the site where they are proposing the license to be held, and also provide a site plan. The applicant will also need to provide evidence that they have sufficient capital for the planned business operations and provide a financial plan and operational timeline. This is an exciting time to enter a new industry in the Commonwealth. If you or your business have any questions regarding the application process, please reach out to myself or any of my colleagues at DBL Law.